tiger loves to play, jumping on his bed all day. But when mommy calls bath time now, he shakes his head and says, oh wow, no! Let's splish-splash, bubble bath. Little tiger laughs and laughs, foamy beard and duck so bright. Bath time turns to pure delight. Hot splish-splash, bubble fun, bath time joy for everyone. He runs fast from room to room, hiding under bed, zoom, zoom, zoom. But Daddy Tiger, Panda too, bring a magic duck that glows for you. But splish-splash, bubble bath. Little tiger laughs and laughs, magic duck goes quack, quack, quack. Tiger turns and jumps right back. Hot splish-splash, bubble fun, bath time joy for everyone. Big wide eyes, he peeks inside, bubbles swirling like a ride. One big jump and splash he goes, water flying head to toes. Hi, like splish-splash, bubble bath. Little tiger laughs and laughs, foam hat here and foam beard there, bubbles floating everywhere. Hot splish-splash, bubble cheer, little tiger's clean this year. Bath time's fun, he says with pride. Mommy hugs him warm and wide, clean and cozy, soft and bright. Good night, Bubbles. Good night, night.